What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Please run it up, man. Hit the like button for your boy, hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. I appreciate y'all. I've always appreciate y'all, and I will always appreciate y'all for taking time out of your day and rocking with me. I think we're just gonna start with the most recent pickup. Now, this sneaker, I don't know if I'll be keeping. I definitely just wanted to see it in hand. I got exclusive access weeks and weeks ago. The shoe released. The shoe is still sitting. As far as I know, the shoe is still sitting on sneakers or Nike.com. I don't know if I want this shoe. We will tell after I unbox it. This shoe may go back to Nike. I didn't buy this shoe to resale. I bought it because I was genuinely curious if I was gonna like the shoe. So let's just find out. Let's see what we're working with. Some different type of Nike paper. Okay. Looks like water. See the Nike check. It looks like water, right? Dripping. So at least, and this is a collaboration. So at least for this collaboration, you got a little bit of different tissue paper. I don't know why when they do like collaborations and they do just releases, they don't do different boxes. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and just read off the shoe before I even open it. My fault, yo. Nike Dunk Low Retro SE Photon Dust Light Silver. Photon Dust and Light Silver. So, let's go ahead and open up the box real quick. Okay. Now, first thoughts on this shoe. Matter of fact, first thoughts on this shoe. Hella clean. I like the off-white sail laces. I love the material, the hairy suede. If you look at the shoe, even the lacing right here is a light photon dust blue, the bottoms. Only thing that I'm a little thrown off by is the Nike check. I don't really like the iridescent, shiny, low-key, kind of sparkly on the Nike check. And what is this? Is this supposed to be a hook? I never noticed this until just now. But is this supposed to be a hook? Which would make sense because this is I guess, gone fishing shoe. If you look at the tongue, it says Nike Beaverton with what it looks like is like a salmon or something native to the Pacific Northwest. It looks like a salmon. You look on the insole of the shoe, you have the same Nike, or the same fish that says Nike Beaverton, established 1972. I don't dislike this shoe. I don't necessarily need this shoe. I'm gonna check the other one to make sure that the other Nike sign on this shoe is the same. Yeah, so this is done on purpose. I never noticed that this was a Nike hook. It's pretty dope, man. But the shoe as it is fairly simple, honestly. And it's pretty clean. To be honest, think I actually like the shoe. I'm not, like I said, I'm not really a fan of the iridescence on the Nike sign, but I understand it's supposed to resemble fish scales, right? And fish scales are iridescent. And this is a gone fishing shoe. I think this is clean, honestly. The more I look at it, you got the canvas on the toe box, and then the canvas going up the tongue. And I know it's not an SB, but it's an SE, so it's a special edition. And just with the little hook on the Nike sign, I was kind of caught off guard by that. It kind of looked like it was done on accident at first. But now that I think about it, it gives it a little flair. It gives it a little twist to the shoe. But the shoe is very, it's a very subtle shoe. It looks like a regular dunk, but it's really not. There's some intricacies about this shoe. Will I keep it? I don't know. I don't know. I like it, honestly. I do. I like the materials. Like I said, I like the sail on the laces. It's just the iridescent on the Nike sign. You know? Guys, get down in the comments. Get down in the comments. Let me know what you think of the shoe. Let me know what you guys think. I know a lot of people passed, right? But now seeing it, are your thoughts exactly the same? Does the Nike sign do anything for you? What about the materials? What do you guys think about the materials? I think the materials are fire though. That's it, man. You guys get in the comments, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be tapped in. I'm dropping videos as often as I can. I have another pair of shoes still to unbox, so I'm gonna try to crank that out right after this one. But I love you guys. It's your boy Bert Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out, you guys. Get down in the comments, man. We're pushing to 1,000 subscribers, so I need your guys' help. Hit the like button and hit that subscribe button if it's your first time here, you guys. I appreciate you. Thank you. Peace.